Hi guys, this is Teacher Esperanza Santillana. Welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you the following requirements that you're going to bring on the PRC office if you're going to claim your lupon. Like this, na-claim ko na po, nakuha ko na po just now sa PRC Davao. Doon dito po sa Davao, PRC Regional Office po. So, akala ko po before, kasi nag-initial registration po ako doon sa PRC Robinson po, doon po sa Tagum City. But when I went here at PRC Quezon Mall here in Davao, he told me that I'm going to go to the PRC Tagum para mag-claim po yung aking lupon. Pero it's not available dito po pala sa Davao Regional Office po. So if ever po na kukuha po kayo ng inyong lupon or COR po, like this, Certificate of Registration. So, kung po kayo ng inyong Certificate of Registration, kailangan nyo po pumunta po muna kayo sa inyong Lewis account para magpa-appointment po. Okay, and then you're going to download this one. Okay, A4 size, A4 size po. And you need also to have a documentary stamp. Kung purple documentary stamp, you need to have one only, and then if brown documentary stamp, 2 pieces of it. Okay, so you need also to have a photocopy for each documents that you're going to claim. For instance, the certification as well as all the certification that you need to be authenticated. Then, if you have a plan to go abroad, so you can ask to the PRC personnel if you're going to have to get some photocopy of your requirements first before you're going to sell it. You also need to have a long envelope for your apostle if you're going to do apostles, because then it's very sensitive. Hindi po dapat siya marunhan, hindi po dapat siya ma-hurt, or it's very sensitive po talaga. So kailangan plain, neat, and clean. Okay? Kasi hindi po tatanggapin yan ng ating DFA. Okay? That's what I told you, that you need to bring this one from your Lyris PRC account. Okay, ma'am and sir, you need to download the first size po, and then you need to have your documentary stamp. Ako ng aking certificate of board rating, and then ano ba yun? I forgot. Certificate of registration. This is one copies only. So they will ask you if saan po ninyo gagamitin yung certificate of registration, certification of board rating, certification of good standing, certification of passing, and professional identification card. Or either you need to get your report of rating, then you need to get first the original copy, which is the certification, before you can do authentication of your certificate. Okay? Because, for example, you're going to work abroad as a teacher, whatever purposes you're going to use it, for certification of good standing, the PRC personnel will gonna ask you like that. So better tell them that you're going abroad, so you need to do apostles, so that we will instruct you what are you going to do and what are those requirements. Okay po, ma'am. If you're going to claim your identification card, your lupon, your authenticated certifications, kailangan po ninyong pa-apostle, like for example, all of those that I have been told you earlier from my previous video. So this is kung gusto nyo pong mag-abroad at maging isang grupo sa ibang bansa. So kailangan nyo pong pa-apostle. Tulad dito, dapat clean and neat. Okay? Dapat malinis po at neat. Dapat hindi po natin ito madumihan. Okay? Kasi very sensitive po. Hindi po tatanggapin ng ating DFA. Like for example, the cup that I had before, my mother took it when I was in abroad. And then, when I came back here in the Philippines, it's been already messy. So, kailangan po ito ibalik sa aming school. Like this one, hindi po tatanggapin dito. Tulad dito, galing po sa school namin. So, 6 months na po ito nakuha ng mother ko. And then, marumi na po siya. And then, may kunot-kunot na rin. So, hindi po tinanggap ni DFA. So, hindi po natin ibalik ulit sa ating school. Saka gusto ko sabayin. Kaya, ito, balik ko muna sa school namin. And then, naka-apostle na po lahat-lahat ng aking mga documents. Okay guys, if you have further questions below in the comment section below so that I may be able to answer all your queries. Okay, ma'am and sir, that's for now. See you on my next vlog and thank you so much for watching guys.